Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another scratch build. This time we're making up speakers, because there's a lot of situations where you might use speakers, and especially for 40k, because you've got the Slanesh noise marines, noisy dirty little bastards, and you've also got the orcs. Orcs are very musical. In fact, they released a goth rocker model not that long ago, which was highly popular. So what did I do first of all for making our speakers? Well, I started with a sketch, figuring out what the hell they would look like and how to effectively make them. So just a few kind of preliminary kind of drawings there. And I thought, first off, one of the best materials to use would be this stuff, your mosquito netting, which is made up of a fiberglass mesh, so it's highly malleable and it takes the paint no problem at all. Hello, Poppy. Yeah, she's just moseying about. If you really want to cheap out, you can just use Lego. So you can just use a flat piece like that, stick on a couple of studs, and bam, you've got a basic kind of speaker there. And you can do various different shapes and sizes. So that's another option for you. And this stuff as well, which is black foam. Now you can usually find this stuff for your pick and pluck foam, for if you've got any kind of cases and such like, but they also sell it for like sponges and things. And yeah, you just cut out a kind of a rectangle of that, stick around some card, and boom, instant speaker. And there's one I've done already. It's just a basic amp. Now I started sculpting with some materials, and I use some MDF board. You can see it all here. These are some MDF push-out pieces from some of the MDF kits. There's loads of MDF builds I've done in the past, so you can see some examples. And these are just push-outs. So like whenever your build has like a door frame or something, if you're lucky, you might get a push-out of the empty recess. And the same with windows and the such like as well. So I've just gone and taken these, and then I've gone round it with lots of card a few times just to give it a kind of a border. And then I've used one of our favorite go-tos, which is cable ties. And that's some laser cut card there, which again I got from some old MDF sprue frames. And I've got these little circles here. These I cut out of card using our rotary hole punch. It's a great tool, perfect if you're needing to make little shapes. But if you don't have those, you could always use washers. Washers work an absolute treat if you're looking for round bits, and they're highly accessible. You can usually find them in the street. So I've made up some speakers like this, and then I started casting them in a block. And here's a casting block here, which is made up of, what is it? Oyamaru. Oh, excuse me, I'm making noise. So that's made up of Oyamaru there, which is, what is it? You stick in boiled water, it becomes soft and malleable, and then you can reshape it. Perfect for molding pieces with. And this is what they look like when you pop them out. So, it looks pretty damn good. Stick on some mosquito netting on the top after it's been painted black, and boom, you've got a nice interior of a speaker there. But here, that's speakers, and you can see the interior of them there. Pretty nice. And again, it's just black. It's just card that's been stuck on the back. Pretty swish. So that's how we do speakers. So bye for now. See you again soon.